Welcome back to Voice Vista. Today, we step into something more than a vehicle, we step into a feeling. This is the 2026 LTV Unity, a masterpiece that doesn't just take you places. It transforms how you experience motion itself. From the very first moment it comes into view, it feels like serenity sculpted into steel, a whisper of luxury gliding across the horizon. The Unity's presence is magnetic. Its exterior lines flow with the confidence of modern craftsmanship and the quiet poise of timeless design. The pearl silver body shimmers under soft daylight, every contour reflecting care, precision, and intention. LED light blades trace its silhouette like an artist's brushstroke, while chrome accents catch the light just enough to suggest elegance, never excess. You don't just look at the Unity, you sense it. The way you might sense a perfectly tuned instrument before it even plays a note. Walk closer and you feel the harmony between design and purpose. The flush door handles slide open like a whisper, and the large panoramic windows curve seamlessly into the body, reflecting the sky above. There's a sense of calm readiness, a promise that this machine was built not just to travel, but to help you breathe along the way. The proportions are balanced, the stance confident, but unassuming. This isn't luxury that shouts. It's refinement that speaks in hushed tones. Step inside, and the outside world softens into silence. The first thing you notice is the light, soft, natural, wrapping the cabin in a golden calm. The air feels filtered, pure, and the textures greet your fingertips with a subtle warmth that feels alive. Every inch of the interior has been thought through. Oak veneers blending seamlessly with brushed aluminum. Hand-stitched leather seats embracing you with quiet confidence. The floor feels solid, grounded, while the panoramic skylight above opens the cabin to the world, turning every sunrise into theater. The cockpit feels less like a driver's command center and more like a sanctuary of control. The steering wheel sits perfectly balanced beneath your hands. The digital dash comes to life in a soft glow, no harsh edges, no clutter. Every instrument responds to touch. Every control exactly where intuition expects it to be. It's not technology for the sake of complexity, it's design that feels human. The engine isn't loud, it's a heartbeat. You don't hear it roar, you feel it awaken. When the 2026 Unity begins to move, the sensation is almost unreal. The hum of the engine fades into the rhythm of motion, a soft vibration that feels more like a pulse than a sound. Beneath you, the advanced chassis glides with silent precision. The air suspension absorbs imperfections before you can even sense them, turning every road, from winding countryside lanes to endless highways, into silk. And then, as you accelerate, you feel the power. The turbocharged diesel-electric hybrid powertrain delivers more than strength. It delivers grace. Every surge forward feels fluid, controlled, effortless, a quiet conversation between torque and technology. But performance isn't just about numbers. It's about emotion. As you guide the Unity down an open stretch of highway, the panoramic windshield pulls the world closer, distant mountains, framed like living art, sunlight spilling across the dashboard. The adaptive cruise and lane systems work in perfect synchronization, allowing you to release your grip and simply exist in motion. The hum of travel becomes meditative. You're not driving, you're experiencing. At rest, the Unity becomes something else entirely, a haven. The rear lounge unfolds into a living space that feels both intimate and infinite. The craftsmanship is precise, yet personal. Recessed LED lighting that mimics candlelight. Cabinetry that moves without a sound. Soft fabrics that hold warmth without weight. The kitchenette gleams with minimalism, an induction, cooktop flush with the countertop, a refrigerator that hums so quietly it might as well be dreaming. The bed, full size, adjustable, Memorysoft lowers smoothly from the wall, transforming the interior into a private retreat on wheels. You notice the details the longer you stay. The way the window frames glow subtly at night. The air that remains perfectly still, perfectly clean. The way the sound system fills the space with music so gentle. It feels like it's coming from the walls themselves. Every part of this motorhome has been shaped to disappear, until all that remains is the experience. But the Unity is not simply about comfort. It's about freedom, with a range designed to outlast the journey and efficiency that makes every mile meaningful. It feels less like transportation and more like liberation. The world outside becomes your canvas, and the Unity, your brush. Wherever you park, it feels like home. Wherever you go, it feels like you've arrived. Of course, excellence has its price. The 2026 LTV Unity begins at around $185,000, a figure that climbs as you add bespoke materials, tech suites, and performance enhancements. But for those who understand what this represents, it's not an expense. It's an investment in how life feels between destinations. It's not about getting somewhere faster. It's about elevating the space between where you've been and where you're going. As the day fades and the last light glows against the metallic body, you catch your reflection in its glass, calm, steady, fulfilled. You realize that the Unity isn't just a motorhome. It's a reflection of everything travel should be. Quiet confidence, refined purpose, and the pure joy of motion. If you enjoyed this cinematic journey through the 2026 LTV Unity, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Voice Vista for more cinematic explorations of the world's most extraordinary machines. Until next time, travel beautifully, the road is waiting.